Leo, hi, welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 3 to 9, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Ayan. So, let's see what's coming to you, Leo. And pa-follow na rin ako sa sa TikTok, tsaka sa Facebook. Lahat yan, Miss the Queen PH. Meron ba kayong pinagdadaanan sa trabaho nyo or sa career ninyo? Kasi parang may stress. Merong stress sa inyong career. Parang feeling nyo, meron kayong nami-miss out na opportunity. Okay. So, this week, take a breather. Ayan. Malaking tulong yung breathing exercises. So, maraming paraan to do breathing exercises. I-check nyo na lang sa YouTube. Yan, may mga ganyan. May mga training exercises pagdating sa on how to breathe na kung saan ay makakapag-release ka ng negative energies. And this is also about meditation. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are into meditation, praying, para makalma ang inyong mga sarili. So, your overall energy is the Emperor. So, someone who has a lot of responsibilities. Kaya siguro, kinakalma nyo yung sarili nyo dahil sa maraming responsibilidad na meron kayo. It's either meron kayong a certain position sa trabaho, or you own a business, or you really want na yung magkaroon ng sense of direction yung buhay mo. So, it's like you are in the process of disciplining yourself. Nagkakaroon ka ng disiplina sa iyong sarili. Your challenge is the Queen of Wands. This is about freedom. So, maaaring challenge mo yung sarili mo na magkaroon ng kalayaan na magawa yung mga bagay na gusto mo, na hindi ka nalilimitahan. And then, your opportunity is the Strength card, which is your energy. This is about confidence, lakas ng loob mo, tiwala mo sa iyong sarili. So, you have the opportunity to make yourself stronger, healthier. So, maaring ito, physical strength din to, para sa iba sa inyo. And then, your blessing is the Ace of Wands, which is a new beginning, a new opportunity, inspired action. So, maaring merong kayong exciting na simula na gagawin this week. So, in what area of life is this? The 6th house, this is about your work, your day-to-day life. This is also your health, yung kalusugan mo. So, halimbawa, maaring yung iba sa inyo, kinondisyon nyo na yung sarili nyo na mag-exercise na kayo, magiging consistent na kayo sa pag-aalaga sa inyong kalusugan. And then for your money, career, finances, sabi rito, do not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Ayan. So, maari kasing iba, nagtsatsaga kayo sa isang trabaho or career na alam mong parang hindi na siya in alignment of your goals, or parang feeling mo hindi na niya na-fulfill yung gusto mo. You have the 3 of Cups. This is about celebration. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong isi-celebrate na achievement pagdating sa work, or maaring itong new beginnings na to na blessing sa inyo is like a new work or a new career path, a new business na ipupurso mo along with people na pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Pwedeng you will meron kang parang makikipag-collaborate ka with the people na you trust, or someone na alam mong kilala mo. Kilala mo or alam mo kung gaano sila kagaling. Ayan, oh, you have the Emperor. Uy, talagang, I feel like you're building something, Leo. Meron kang sinisimulan na bagong career, trabaho, project na this is going to be successful kasi maaring yung situation nyo sa ngayon is hindi siya hindi na siya sapat sa or parang hindi na fulfilling sa kasi pwedeng kumikita ka ng pera pero hindi ka na masaya. Okay? So I see you building a strong foundation in your career or in your business. So sa relationship naman, meron dito makikipag-usap sa someone is going to feel sorry about sa ginawa niya. Merong regrets dito So nagsisisi to sa kanyang actions. This can be someone, pwedeng romantic connection, friends, family. Pwede kasing kaya niya nasabi yon is medyo mainit lang ulo niya. O somehow parang hindi kayo nagkaroon ng maayos na usapan, no? Yung tipong kumbaga magka-kontra yung energy ninyo kaya lalo kayong nag-away. Son of Cups, meron talagang mahingi ng tawad. Oo. Merong hihingi ng tawad. So, pwedeng ikaw to, lalo na kung na-realize mo ikaw yung may mali or the person na you're dealing with. Okay? This can be in any type of relationship. You also have Mercury in the 11th house. So, meron kayong isang magandang idea or project or konsepto na gusto nyong gawin pero hindi nyo to magagawa na mag-isa lang. So, you really need to collaborate, work with others. Maari ring merong learning opportunities for you because Mercury is about learning. This is about mga researching, ganyan. Parang yung iba sa inyo kung nasa science kayo or you are a scientist, technologist, ganyan, maaring meron kang creative project na gagawin. Parang some sort of invention kasi meron kang magandang idea na, gusto ko tong pursue or magandang idea to for my career or for your job, for your business. So, kailangan mo lang talaga na i-focus yung sarili mo dun sa pinaka-goal mo at i-align mo yung actions mo dun sa goal mo para makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa? Protest, start a revolution. Oy. Ito yung maaring meron kang parang not actually sisirain but isang nakagawian na sa tingin mo hindi na siya nakakabuti para sa or sa isang sitwasyon. So parang maninindigan ka sa iyong paniniwala na kailangan may magbago. Forgive. Ayun na, baka meron ka talagang patatawarin itong person na naka-realize ng mga pagkakamali niya sa'yo. And this can also be yourself. Forgiving yourself is the best way to heal from your past. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.